So this project is about this link here, table 1236 on United States, their ranks for entering the Union versus the area. That's the actual problem, to plot them like that. And when you enter the data, I advise that you don't write down 52,423, but just to the closest thousand, so 52,104. If you want round this to 11 or 10, I will just take whatever is in front of the comma here. So here we go. Table, and yes, oh yeah, x6 and y6. And so I have the ranks here. Let's see, Alabama, Colorado, Hawaii. There we go. So Alabama, Colorado, Hawaii. I finally put that to the side for me here. Last state, right? And then here, 52,000, 104,000. Colorado's big, and Hawaii, of course, is pretty tiny, and so on. I'm going to click this one and that one. Yep, there you go. And there we go. There's the first three data, and then of course do the others here, and then come up with a linear relationship. That's what it suggests. And of course the thing is, what should be the correlation between the rank for entering the Union versus the area? Does it matter? Is there a relationship? Well, figure it out by looking at it, and then look at my questions that I have there, and look at the table here. The states they give us, the number of states they give us. So think about that. If there actually ought to be a relationship, maybe there is, maybe there isn't. By the way, the source for this one here, again, just like all the other tables that they have in this book here, they have no source or citation, but this one is really easy. These data are published everywhere on how large each of the states is and when it entered the Union. So these, you can find the source anywhere you want. All right. Anyway, I should finish my equation here. So the linear equation, that's what it suggests. So there we go, plus b. And then again, of course, whoa, okay, that actually goes down at first. I'm just telling you, it will actually go up. That's just Hawaii just pulls it down here. And yeah, that's actually it for this one.